Hello everyone, Vanakkam, Selamat datang and welcome to Siva's Cuisine. Today we are going to do a very delightful evening snacks which is called onion pagoda. You can have this with tea, it will be delightful. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's go down to the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. You need 2 onions thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, about 15 curry leaves chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger diced, 1 green chilli diced thinly, 1 cup of besan flour, or they would say gram flour, okay, and half cup of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, a dash of Asafetida powder, or you call hin, 1 teaspoon of ghee, and 1 teaspoon of salt. You will also need some hot oils. Okay, now let's start. First you add in the onions. Mix them, add in the salt, give a good mix. You need to do this so that the onions will release some juice from there, and this will make our dough better. Then you add in the fennel seeds, the ginger, the green chilies, and the curry leaves. Then keep stirring them again. Now we add in the gram flour and the rice flour, the chili powder, the ghee, and a dash of hin. Now I got to use my hands to mix them all together. At this point you got to add in a hot oil, 5 to 6 tablespoons. After you're adding the hot oil, so use a spoon for a while first before using your hands again. Okay, now we can use our hands. We keep stirring them, and when we get, if we don't have enough, we can add in a few drop or 1 or 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, this is the consistency we need. We put in 1 and 2 tablespoons, that will be enough. Okay, so we need to get a good consistency. Okay guys, this is how the dough should be. So all you need to do is just take them from your hands, lump like this, just push a small bit every now and then. Just push down small pieces. It doesn't need to be in shapes, just any way. You need to fry them until they are golden in color. We got to cook this on a medium flame, okay, and wait till they are golden in color before you can remove them. Okay, the colors are already dark brown. We can take them out now. Hi viewers, this is the delightful evening snacks, onion pagoda. Hope you try and enjoy it, and do let me know in the comment box below. And also those of you who have not subscribed, do please subscribe, press the like button and also press the notification bell. We will keep you informed of all our future recipes. Thank you. Have a good day.